Ovaltine's in the book. 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. And it comes from the days of Vancouver being a center of neon lights. Lots of color lighting up the sky before it became something of a problem for people that didn't enjoy the signs so much. But Ovaltine's hanging on. The Ovaltine Diner. It's called the Golden Mile. Point Grey and McDonald here in Vancouver, British Columbia. This area is in the book, 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. It's known for being the wealthiest row of houses, most expensive row of houses in all of Canada. Additionally, because Vancouver works to be seen as a green city, friendly to the environment, it has blocked off 1 mile of road where you cannot drive. Cuts off and goes off into that direction along Point Grey. No cars allowed. And it's in the book because I believe it's representative of what the good people of Vancouver are trying to do and make it as environmentally friendly as possible, using actual science and good practices. It's a 3-block area along Main Street here that's become known as the Punjab Market. Earlier in this century, the first Gurdwara, which is the temple built for Sikh worship, Sikhs coming majority-wise from the beautiful area of Punjab in India. They came, many of them, to work in the lumber industry there along False Creek, which isn't too far from here. And somewhere around the 40s there was a fire, everything was destroyed, and the next Gurdwara was built here in this area along Ross Road. Otherwise, False Creek would have become known as the Punjabi Market Center Hub. Instead, it's right here. Yard's not in yet, it's too early. We made a nice video with him, a wonderful artist who's got a beautiful little studio here at the corner of 49th and Main, right in the heart of Punjabi Market. All kinds of Indian shops, good stuff here in this part of Main Street. Okay, let's move on to our next stop. Queen Elizabeth Park. This area here and going way back there between Cambie and Main Street along 33rd. It's one of the beautiful places here in Vancouver that you can come and enjoy nature in a more restricted area, although lots of area to walk around. Inside this park is a place where you'll find more than 500 exotic plants if you're into that kind of thing. But it certainly is a place where you can come and enjoy a lot of walking, a lot of being with nature, right here in the middle of beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. It's in the book, so we thought we'd stop by and make sure that we've got a little bit of video for this series as we continue towards the end of the 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. All right, we got at least another spot to go to, but I'm sure we're going to find more. It's not raining, sun's not out, but it's a pleasant day.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse. A greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back.